Hi everyone and welcome back to Maths with Sukirti Gaur YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to start with question number 3 of exercise 7.1. This is from class 9th Maths NCERT book, chapter number 7, triangles. Now we are done with question number 1 and 2 of exercise 7.1. So in this question number 3 we have AD and BC are equal perpendiculars to a line segment AB, and the figure is given to you here. Show that CD bisects AB. Now, we have two sides, AD and BC. AD, you can see here, and BC is here. These two are equal to each other. Also, they are perpendicular. It means they are forming a 90-degree angle on what? On line segment AB. So in figure you can see in line segment AB we have BC and AD perpendicular to it. We have to show that CD bisects AB. It means what? AB will be divided into two parts or CD will be divided into two parts. AB will be divided into two parts because CD bisects AB. AB is going to be bisected. It means AB will be divided into two equal parts. That is, you can see here intersection point is O. So according to this statement, OA should be equals to OB. Two equal parts of AB. This we need to prove. Now, if I tell you the strategy, what will we be doing? We will be taking two triangles here, OBC, this one, and OAD, this one. If we prove these two triangles congruent, we can say that the corresponding side OB and the corresponding side of triangle OAD will be equal to each other, that is OB equals to OA. So let us start proving these triangles congruent. Okay, let me rub this all so that you can see clearly everything. Now, to prove triangles, which one? OAD congruent to triangle OBC, such that OB and OA, which are the corresponding parts of these triangles, get equal to each other. So let us find something common in between these two triangles. First of all, from OAD, we have AD equals to the corresponding side of OBC, that is BC, which is given in the question. You can write given in bracket. Next thing which is common in between is this 90 degree. It means angle DAO from triangle OAD equals to angle OBC from triangle OBC equals to 90 degree. They both are equals to 90 degree. That is also given. Next thing which is common in between is, it is not given here, but we are going to find it out, that is vertically opposite angle. Can you see these two angles? Yes. Which one is it? AOD and BOC. So from triangle OAD, AOD is equals to angle BOC. And what are these? Vertically opposite angles. So at vertex, the angles opposite to each other are called vertically opposite angles. So you can see two intersecting lines, that is AB and CD. So the angles forming on the vertex opposite to each other are equal to each other, right? So by this thing, we have this angle A, this angle A, and this side AD. So by AAS, so by, you can see here A and S. So by AAS congruency, we can say that triangle OAD is congruent to triangle OBC. And when we prove two triangles congruent, we can say that by CPCT full form is corresponding parts of congruent triangle. This I've explained in, again, the first video of triangles, that is introduction of triangles. If you have not seen that video, please go and watch that video, because all the concepts are really going to help you in these questions. By CPCT, we can say that AO or OA will be equals to OB. So these are the parts of these two congruent triangles. So we are done with question number 3. I'll be starting question number 4 in next video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel. Also hit the bell icon so that you never miss any update. If you have any query regarding this question or any another question to ask, please comment me in the comment box. Till then, take care. Bye bye.